In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Grammarly email address in just a few simple steps. If you've created a new email, want to update your account details, or just need to switch to a different inbox, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, log into your Grammarly account using your current email and password. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your dashboard, which makes the process even faster. Now look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar. You should see an option labeled Account. Click on Account to open your account settings. This is where Grammarly keeps your profile and login information, including the email address connected to your account. On the Profile Account Settings page, take a moment to locate your current email address. Right next to it, you should see an Update button. Go ahead and click that Update button. This tells Grammarly that you want to change the email linked to your profile. After that, Grammarly will ask you to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new email you want to use. Make sure it's spelled correctly because this is the address Grammarly will use to send your confirmation message. Then, for security purposes, enter your current password in the required field. Grammarly uses this step to verify that it's really you making the change. Once everything looks correct, click Update. At this point, the email change is not fully complete yet. Grammarly will send a confirmation message to your new inbox. So now open your new email account and look for the message from Grammarly. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. When you find the email, open it and click the Confirm Change button. This is the final step that verifies your new address and officially updates your Grammarly account. Once you confirm it, your Grammarly email address will be changed successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your Grammarly email address quickly and securely. It only takes a few minutes, and as long as you confirm the new email from your inbox, the process is very straightforward. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and share it with someone else who might need the same fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.